downstairs?
X.
Liam, what are you doing?
Daddy, what's the next battle?
X.
He's sorting the uppercase letters in one hand and the lowercase letters in the other hand.
And what's the next battle?
I think the next letter is
Daddy looks like
Z.
he's crucified by the alphabets.
What is Z for?
Simple.
Zipper, good job.
I'm going in Daddy's bed.
Oh, we're not going to Daddy's bed. We're going to Liam's bed.
We're going to Daddy's bed.
Night, night. Can you say good night?
Good night, Daddy. I'm going to Daddy's bed.
Hey, you forgot a hug and a kiss for Daddy. Go. Hug and a kiss. What? Okay, fell out. Okay, hug and a kiss, please. Big hug and a big kiss. Yo. Lee?